Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to our next math lesson. Before we begin, I'd like you to be sure that you have your math textbook, your connecting cubes, your two-sided counters, and a pencil, a whiteboard, and your marker. Okay? All right, so today's lesson is using doubles to add. Before I go further, think about what's a double. What does double mean? How many of something? That's right, 2. How do I use strategies to add numbers is our chapter's essential question that we're working to solve. Okay, so right now it says we're going to use our counters and a 10 frame. Now, if you don't have your 10 frame paper, you can always use your whiteboard, all right, and make sure that you have it marked into 10 boxes. Just draw a line in the middle and then 4 lines up and down, okay? They want us to use our two-sided counters to show ways of making 10. And then we put the numbers here. So, and then choose one way to make 10 and tell an addition story. All right, so, I think I'm going to start with, let's see, let's see, what could you put there? You could put, I'm going to have to use a pencil because they don't have the little counters for me. I'm going to put 4 circles up here, and then I'm going to put an X. Okay, you can use your two-sided counters. So I'm going to put X's in the rest of the boxes just so that it's something different, okay? And now I have to look and see what my 2 numbers are. Well, how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we go. Here's an addition number story. 4 circles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's. So 4 and 6 is 10. So I would like you to pause the video and to come up with 2 other ways of making 10 with your counters and your 10 frame. Okay? All right. All right, so here, let's go to our next board. All right, we are going to go and start our investigation. And how can you use doubles to add? Well, if I had, let's see, 2 red connecting cubes, and I had the same number, that would be 2. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, doubles because it's the same amount. All right, what's another double that you can think of? Yeah. All right, well, how about this one? I have, see if this is one that you mentioned. 3 yellow. Now, if it's a double, how many red should I have? That's right, 3. What's 3 plus 3 equal? 6. Very good. All right, that's a good job that you know your doubles. All right, now let's look at the next thing with the math. All right, so this one they would like us to place between 2 and 9 objects. Now, when you say between 2 and 9, they mean not 2, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 9 is not included in, they want the numbers that are between them. All right, so let me think of a number that I could, let's try 4. All right, so I'm going to pick a tile because we have 4 green tiles on this side. All right, the same number of objects. And then I want to put 4 blue on this side. Okay, then they would like us to complete, okay, the addition number sentence. So 4 green tiles plus 4 blue tiles. So what does that equal? 8. Good job. 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right. Very good. Okay. So you can see it could be fun using the doubles. All right, so now I would like you to turn to the next page, all right, for our math chapter, all right, and that page is page 229, all right. So I'm going to write the number over here. So if you need to find it, page 229, you can pause the video and get your math book, okay? And ready? Okay, so I'm going to read right from the bottom of your page what they would like us to do. So we're going to use connecting cubes, okay, to model what we are going to do with our math. And they want us to build a tower that has 3 red cubes. Okay, so take your connecting cubes and build, okay, it only lets me go up to that point. 1, 2. Now, unfortunately, I can, oh wait, or can I? Can I turn these? Let me see. Before, in the past, I could never turn them. Oh, good, I can do that. All right, let's turn it. Okay, so that it looks like I'm connecting them. Okay, so there's 3 connecting cubes, and then they want us to use 3 green cubes. Well, I'm going to have to use blue because I don't have green here. So 1, let's turn it like I did the other ones. Okay, 1, and another one is 2. Okay, I'm excited that I can turn the cubes for you. All right, and 3. They don't click though, that's the only thing. All right, and 3. Okay, now they would like us to trace the tower that you've built. Okay, you're going to trace it with your pencil and then write our addition number sentence. So what would you write for this? 3, very good, plus 3 equals 6. Good job. Okay, let's go to our next page for our see and show. Add-ins. Add-ins are the numbers you add. Okay, so the 5 is an add-in and the 10 is an, I'm sorry, the 5 is an add-in, this 5 is an add-in, and the 10 is a sum, okay? But both atoms are the same in a doubles fact. So right here you see 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, let's look at the next one. You are going to look at the connecting cubes, okay, and complete the addition number sentence. Let's look at the first one together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that means we are going to print 3 plus 3 equals, that's right, 6. We just did that with the tower, didn't we? Okay, let's see. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, since it's a double, it should be 4 for here. I'm going to check, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I would like you to solve, put the 2 add-ins together, and come up with the sum. And then come back and check your work. Good job. You got 8. All right. Okay. Now, these are addition facts, okay? They want you to add, and then they want you to circle the facts that are the doubles. So let's do number 3 together. 7 plus 7. Okay, so here's something else you can do. Remember how we've been counting on, well, is there a bigger number here or a greater number? No, but you can still do it, okay? I'm going to circle the first 7, okay? And then I'm going to get, now you can use your 7 fingers, all right? Or you can use 7 cubes, all right? So just to show you, you can do it with fingers. I'm going to do that with you. 7 is in my head, okay? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14 is the answer. Now, here's the other question we have to do. They want you, or the directions, circle the doubles fact. Well, here, right? So we are going to circle this fact because it's a double. So when you do the rest of these problems, okay, the math, you're going to find the sum and then look to see if they're a double. If it's a double, circle the entire math sentence, okay? So you can pause it now and finish the rest of the math problems and then come back and check your answers. How'd you do? All right, if you need to, pause it now to check your answers. Can you use doubles to make a sum of 7? Well, let's see. We said that 2 plus 2 is 4, right? We did that one. We said that 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's see. 4 plus 4 is 8. This is 6 and 8. No, you can't use doubles to make a 7. Interesting. We'll have to look more into that as time goes on. All right. Look at these addition number sentence models. All right, fill in the numbers, put the addends in, and then find the sum. And pause now. All right, their addends are 2 and 2. The sum is 4. All right. Add, circle the doubles fact. Pause now. Okay, there are your answers, and check your work. Same thing, add, circle doubles facts. Pause now. All right, pause and check your work. If you're not finished, pause this and work, and then come and check it. Okay, some problem solving. 4 taxi cabs drove down the road. 4 more taxi cabs drove down the road. How many taxi cabs drove down the road? Pause and solve it. 8. Good job. Emmett drove over 1 bridge on his way to school. He drove over 1 more bridge on his way home. How many bridges did Emmett drive over in all? Pause and solve. That's right. 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. Okay. Is 3 plus 6 a doubles fact? Explain. Well, let's see. Let's think about what we learned about doubles facts. Doubles mean 2 of the same number. Are the addends the same? No. So we're going to put, here we go. Is 3 plus 6 a doubles fact? No. The addends are 2 different, can't type now, different numbers. Okay, and there you go. All right, boys and girls, I want you to think, all right, we're going to get together a little later for our math follow-up. I would like you to think of something that is on you that is a double, okay? Think of something that is part of you that is a double, all right? And we're going to have a little bit of fun today during our math follow-up. So I will see you in a little bit, all right? Bye-bye.